Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn non-voice to text in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to turn on voice to text or if you want to write messages using your voice, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now once you are in settings, just scroll down until you find general management. Click on it. Here further scroll down, you might see the Samsung keyboard settings. Select this and then select voice input from here. Now here in voice input, you have to select Samsung voice input. Once you have selected, go back, open your keyboard anywhere. Let's say I'm gonna open my messages app, scroll down. Now once you access your keyboard, you might see the microphone icon and bottom left. You just have to click on it and here just select file using the app. Now once you are here, just click agree. Now you can easily use voice to text. You just have to speak, it will listen and convert it into text and you can easily send it. So in this way, you can easily enable voice to text in your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.